Hey everybody, welcome to Mother Rabbit's Pantry. It is a mess in here. I have a weekly chore chart and this is supposed to be organized once a week. I have pretty much ignored my chore chart since starting this channel 2 months ago. So my house is embarrassingly disorganized and a little bit messy. So why don't you join me today as I try to fix at least a little part of that. We're gonna organize my pantry, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes because I love to time myself to see if I can get something done in a short amount of time. It helps motivate me and it helps me work faster and more efficiently. So don't worry, I'm not gonna make you watch the entire 20 minutes. I'm gonna speed this way up so you can see the before and after really quickly. All right, so here is a glimpse of the disorganization. We have this beautifully large pantry. I'm so thankful for it. It's a walk-in. Look, I've got this week's menu completely blank because I fly by the seat of my pants most times. My calendar, you know, just in case Mother Rabbit gets a little cray in the kitchen. I've got like 1,000 stools so the kids can cook with me. All right, let's see if we can get this fixed. I just set my 20-minute timer, so here we go. The biggest reason for me setting a timer while I'm doing chores is it helps me stay away from my phone and not check it for no reason. It helps keep me focused on the task at hand. For this task, I set a 20-minute timer, but I actually took about 23 minutes and I was cut off there when Camden woke up from his nap. So no big deal. I got pretty much all of it done. After he woke up, I just swept the floors and took a look around and just made sure everything was in the right place. Something that I've learned with having kids around all the time is it is hard to get cleaning and organizing done, but you can still do it. It will probably take longer while they're around you or distracting you or asking for things, but there are ways to get around it and just get them to get involved so they can kind of help you. Even though it takes you a little longer, you still can get something done. Sometimes we put way too much pressure on ourselves to get it all done in a day, when really that just leaves us at the end of the day feeling like we got nothing done. Just set one thing that you want to do for the day and go for it. You'll feel so accomplished when it's done. The baby is waking up, so I gotta go get him. I think I'm pretty much done. I probably want to give it a sweep on the bottom, but it is so much more organized than it was before. I can't believe it. I feel so accomplished. Hopefully I can keep it that way. So what do you think? Does it look better? I think so. Yep, still nothing on that calendar. Although I am planning on making a really great meat sauce tonight and I'm actually going live. But if you're watching this, it already happened. So it's not live anymore, but I'm sure it's up on my channel. So go watch it. It's Mama's Hidden Veggie Meat Sauce. Look at all that space I have down there. I could probably stick something down there. Try to keep things organized as best as I can, but it's just really hard. It's like you want everything easily accessible, but you have to kind of pick and choose where things go. So that is my the cinnamon standing right there. My goodness, it's like there's a tiny bit of cinnamon left. Put it right here. There you go, little cinnamon. All right, thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and helping me clean my pantry, keeping me motivated. Bye-bye.